words with I. The sound of vowel I is I. Let's know some word with the sound I. Inkpot, igloo, insect, iguana. Children, let's form words by adding letters before ib. B, I, b, bib. N, I, b, nib. R, I, b, rib. Let's form words by adding letters before ig. D, I, g, dig. F, I, g, fig. W, I, g, wig. Let's form words by adding letters before id. K, I, d, kid. L, I, d, lid. Let's form words by adding letters before in. B, I, n, bin. P, I, n, pin. T, I, n, tin. Let's form words by adding letters before it. L, I, t, lit. K, I, t, kit. S, I, t, sit. Let's form words by adding letters before x. M, x, mix. S, x, six. Let's form words by adding letters before ip. D, ip, dip. H, ip, hip. S, ip, sip. Z, ip, zip.